speed for the last time. My rear views like my past life. My demons mad that I'm too fast. Furious when I zoom past. Bite the dust while I dash. The villain gets the last laugh. Thought I had the white hat, but I did some dirt, now it's black. Who gon' smoke? I got gas. Who gon' choke? Who gon' gag? Who gon' boast? Who gon' brag? Who gon' most of this rap when I goes in my path? Am I an angel or a devil? I'm only human, so I guess both. Am I an angel or a devil? I'm only human, so I guess both.
Hello all. But now it's time for goodbyes. An angel or devil, the question leaves them unsettled. Heaven's gates told me hell no, demon said I ain't special. Antagonist wants me metal, tell the world make it tremble. The question leaves them unsettled. Am I an angel or devil? Am I an angel or a devil? Am I an angel or a devil?
Hello and welcome back actually to Asphalt Legends Unite on these 270 episode. As I talked to myself, actually it's not easy to have actually multiply PlayStation Network IDs like ESO or Elder Scrolls Online. You only can have one because the game is so massive. You only can have one. But the racing games to platinize, I love to actually multiply accounts to get platines, because they are great. They are very good. I have no picture on the Death Nation for Real account in here. I don't know why, but I know actually because a deal done because still starting up these Core X. If I don't can come forward in here on this Death Nation for Real account on PlayStation Network ID, I just want to join actually a little while then the Core X and let you know what's going really on there. So have fun. A great Sunday. I'm still living in Bavaria, Germany, of course, but not that somebody else actually talking about. I just want to give you the jam list, actually what I'm dealing done on Spotify. Enjoy your Sunday, have fun. Already a little bit drunk because actually the Death Nation CB account, I was actually into it. And so, yeah, have a nice Sunday then. Well, it's already 11 o'clock. Oh my god, what the hell, I just even done Death Nation CB account. Holy shit. Oh, it's too long. Long. Let me fix that. Where's the jam stuff? Where's the jam stuff? Is it not better, YouTube?
Live Jam music playlist from Spotify, and here you can change on my songs titles if you got Spotify URL.
That's it. I think so. I'm confused right now, of course. To change actually the account is a disaster. As you see, the sun is burning into my, domicile. So like, what the mother in hell? But I can't believe done something about that one. As a grab's good for him, but bad for me. Stupid midday sun. Well then, enjoy, have fun. That's all I can say. This scam game, goddammit. I don't have nothing to be done with that stupid shit. I just wanna play in here. So only both of these accounts actually playing in here. Cause DJ Warjin account and Need for Speed Takeshi Shadow account already have Platin. Took me a while, I have to tell you. That's actually all. Thank you very much to have you. But I'm not actually from Need for Speed Takeshi Shadow of the Death Nation for Real, just was getting actually the last time by 11,000 of reputations. Being the host or something, I don't know. That's weird. Death Nation for Real did actually a lot of points in there. More reputation as the other account I have. It's not automatical or something then. Huh. Nice. Important for the future. Always remain actually this account is a new account and in every game type. It's like a newborn baby or something. What's the new option? What actually should make wrong in the other accounts? In the other baby or children right now, right? So it feels like that one. You learn, you get teach by yourself. Burnhead, Baron Roll. Oh, come on! That's a trap! I know, it's a trap all the time. I hate this game for that. If you don't see where we're going with the core, you need to be master of the game twice or something. And even then, you have problems to remember. At 10k, forget about it. Wow, still go forward actually. We have maxed out already the DS. Holy shit. Oh. Nah, it's a killer. press the drift button. You motherfucker. Oh, I won, okay. I was 6% was correct. That's very close in the end. Oh, this Sophia. She got my ass. Actually, I need to keep the fishes out of account as well. Nah. Doing investigation. Put 80 instead of 100. Here we go. What a bit more action like in the Death Nation CD account. Oh, we have Glickenhaus. Oh my god. I think that was the account I just did the Glickenhaus. Not Need for Speed Takeshi's out of account. Yeah, I did there as well, but yeah, I don't know. We have a connection each other. Because that Nation CB account more mounted actually on that DJ watching account. Schon gar nichts mehr im Stormic drin, oder? Wenn es von oben schon hinten raus will, der Purz. Der weiß, da liegt nicht mehr viel drin. Obwohl ich gestern, glaube ich, 4 Kilogramm nur Geflügelfleisch mit allem Möglichen gegessen habe. Krass. ist das Leben. Es geht weiter. Ich kann halt keine Musik hören, oder? Ohne Scheiß. Ich hab keinen Bock auf den Scheiß. So leise wie möglich. Geht einfach nicht. Bin froh, dass ich meine Ruhe habe. Schon die Sonne schuld sein. Drei Nots. Asche zu Asche. I won. Oh wow. This car was a promotion car, actually. I just won something in there, as I couldn't deal down on the Death Nation CPU account. So this Death Nation for real account is a premium account, actually. Even it's a short account since 2 weeks now. I'm playing this instead of actually the other accounts. I told you, or something like this. Actually, if you're more into this, you're more winning. Priceless. Nice. Forget about it. I say that. What the fuck is wrong with this game? It's just these one stuff.
Tell them the truth, but they think it's just
Oh je, je mist toch viel in.
Said the ruler, no suckers allowed to break bread or asunder. The daylight, lightning and the thunder, sun, moon, the stars and the hunger, abundance in bundles, blessings and troubles, towers and tunnels, views and valleys, waves and peaks, streets shoot from sun, planet Earth, and ain't scared of no Mars attack. What type of bars is that? Stay off my chat. I'm out they corny riot garments, top 5 dial on and on them, super fly, slick a top rope, equal diving on them. You why you lying, homie? You won't play with my emotions, smoky. Big chief, heart rate, big beat, B-E-Y, I sing straight, Jackie come clean, big said it was a dream. Now it's a living thing, with you and living kings, I mean it, I mean. I mean it, I mean. Y'all seen it, y'all seen in the R-E-B. I mean it, I mean. Original nation, with one solid, I mean. I mean it, I mean. Straight jacket, come clean, y'all seen it, y'all seen. In the R-E-B. Original nation, with one solid, we're with you and living, you know, with you and living. Illuminati, emergency on planet Earth. The currency is murder, you a man of worth. They say the day is coming, drumming that you can't reverse. Watch the banner burn before the cannon bursts. Don't chase an illusion, the nation hallucina. Hallelujah, taste of the future, the people, the shower, the pistol, the coward, the trace of the suture. Lonely martyrs, magic carpets, dirty blankets, Coca-Cola, soul controller, holy waters. Middle East mode, sand glorious, cheat code in Babylonian, the Orient. My superhero got the people power. Yasin and Yasin, you should heed the hour. With you and living kings, I mean it, I mean. I mean it, I mean. Yasin and Yasin in the R-E-B. I mean it, I mean. Original nation, with one solid. There's nothing on my mind.